Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel Dreamers Vlog. First of all, if you guys don't know about me, my name is AB and I am from India. I always make awesome reactions, but nowadays I stop make reaction because of COVID. You all know in India COVID is really increased day by day, but nowadays it decreasing time. So it's very hard days for me and for all Indians, but it's okay guys. First of all, I want to tell you why I not uploading my video. The reason I am actually busy in my business, new business, and second I were a positive, corona positive. That's why I unable to make a reaction. Many people commented me, why your video not coming, why you are not making video, why you not uploading your video. The reason is corona, but hopefully I will make video. But I actually want to tell you one thing more. I have don't have equipment to make reaction, live reaction. If I watch any video and say this video is like this, it's like a lie. But if I have equipment like before, then I can make reaction in front of you, then it's okay, right? That's why I am not making reaction. And I also busy in my new business. It's my apartment. I have apartment in India, but it's already sold now. But now I am working on my Lanka apartment. It's in Mortova. You all know Sri Lanka, and it's very near from Colombo. It's a Mortova city, we can say, and it's like a luxury apartment. I can show you my photos. I am working on these photos and on this apartment because it's my apartment, and I am looking for guys. And I also want to tell you, if you any of you guys interested to visit Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, anywhere, or if you are in Sri Lanka already, then I really interested to tell you about my apartment. It's my apartment. You already saw photos, swimming pool, gym, everything we have. And if you really want to live for 1 day, for 1 year, for 2 years, just tell me in the link. I already tell you in the description. You can send us any email or message if you're interested to buy apartment. Not buy, for rent. Sometimes my mind is really finished because of this COVID, and you already saw my face is like look like weak. I know it's a little bit fatty, but from this area I am weak, and my eyes also because of COVID. I just want to tell you guys, please take care of your health, because COVID is not like a joke. Before, honestly tell you, I am like COVID is nothing. Why people so scared because of corona like this? But when I got corona, I am like, it's very dangerous guys. You need to take care of your health. And I want to tell you, if you really want to be a negative, now I am negative by the way. So thank God. I drink hot water, black coffee and green tea. Only these things help you out, because it's really refreshing your body and all dust come out from us. That's why. And I also want to tell you guys, if you're really looking for apartment, then please you need to check our photos. And also I want to tell you, we have 4 rooms, and one is a little bit short, but 3 rooms are very big, and kitchen is very well furnished. And second one, I want to tell you, the mall and all KFC, McDonald's, all near from us. Is like a 1 to 300 meeting far from us. That's why I need to tell you. And also guys, you guys want to saw my reaction. I want to tell you, I will make reaction after few days, maybe after weeks, or maybe after month, because I already tell you I don't have equipment to make reaction. That's why is lockdown everywhere, and I unable to buy new one. And also I am a little bit busy in my real business. It's an apartment business. That's why I think many people comment me, why not making upload video. So I upload video to tell you about my business. It's my new business, and forget to check our description. And I want to tell you guys, we all love swimming pool, right? we book 5-star hotel or because of swimming pool only and the gym. We all boys love gym, so we have gym in our apartment. We have swimming pool. Swimming pool actually in the downstairs is the top of our apartment, and in this area you can see the big buildings from Colombo. It's a little bit far, but you can see, like if we are in Dubai airport, we can see the Burj Khalifa. It's far, but we can see, right? It's the same feeling in our apartment. And second, we have the big sea. It's a very historical sea. If you are Hindu, then you know very well it's a Ram Setu in middle of the sea. It's like a bridge, by man-made bridge. In when we are not here in Earth, I don't know how to tell you because English is not my first language, but I try to talk fast as usual, that you will think that I know everything. And guys, so you can see swimming pool, you can enjoy everything. The big thing, beach near from our apartment. You can go the beach anywhere, anytime, and enjoy yourself. I know Sri Lanka is open for all tourists. That's why I think I need to tell you, because it's very hard to find an apartment or hotel. Hotel you can find, but it's just expensive. I want to tell you. I don't know why I told you I want to tell you like this. But guys, if you're really interested, then please send us message. If you are really interested to visit Sri Lanka or find apartment, and I think it's good for you. Okay guys, and I am builder, so that's why I am busy in my business. I unable to make a reaction and videos, but I think I need to make vlog videos, like travel videos, come all the countries, and I will try to meet up with you guys, but slowly even I remember all songs. It's really nice. So guys, I am okay now, so don't worry. As soon as possible I will make more reaction videos too, so be patient guys, so don't worry about me.